Hi, welcome to Jen's Daily Dish, where I bake things on camera for the very first time so you can bake along with me and learn from my mistakes. Today we're making small batch chocolate cupcakes. That's right, you're not going to have any leftovers that will be tempting you throughout the week because we're just going to make four. That's it. The cupcakes come together really quickly. It adds in some vinegar to add some lightness to the batter, because it reacts with the baking soda. So it's a great recipe overall. Feel free to, you could triple it and make 12, or, do the math, could make many, many more. This recipe comes together super quickly, and if you want to make it in bigger numbers, feel free to do that. First things first, preheat your oven to 350 degrees because this recipe moves quickly. Of course, I was inspired by this song. Ah, honey, dun 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 dun. It's not honey, it's chocolate. It is all about chocolate today. Yes. Sugar, flour, cocoa powder, baking soda, salt, espresso powder. Whisk together. Water, oil, vanilla, vinegar, which will add a light and fluffy texture to the cake. Whisk together. Add your wet to your dry. Whisk together. Add your batter to your muffin tins. Into the oven for 20 to 22 minutes until the cake springs back and a toothpick comes out clean. Time's up, let's check them. All right, first off, yep, they are puffy and they bounce back, fabulous. Let's do the toothpick test. It's coming out pretty clean, let's take them out. We're gonna let them cool completely. We'll take them out of the muffin tin and then we'll make the frosting. Vanilla, milk, salt. Mix together to dissolve that salt. Confectioner sugar, cocoa powder, and optional, a little bit of espresso powder just to amp up that chocolate flavor. Whisk together. Add your softened butter. Kind of mush it all together so the mixture becomes nice and crumbly. Okay, it is nice and crumbly now. Add in that milk, vanilla, salt mixture. Continue mixing until it becomes a little smooth, and then we're going to move to a whisk. Whisk vigorously to incorporate air into that frosting. Time to add that lovely frosting on top of your cupcake. Could pipe this on, or just spread it on like this. Spoon will work just fine. I mean, come on, look at this small batch chocolate cupcake. There are only 4. There's a lot of math to be done here, for sure. Let's take it out of the wrapper and take a look at it. It's coming out nicely, you'll see that. Let's take a bite. Yum! This is a fantastic chocolate cupcake. Small batch or not small batch, this is great. You're probably gonna wanna make a larger batch, I'm just saying, but if you only have time to make a small batch or just only want 4 in your house for however long, this is a great recipe, so good. Frosting is light and fluffy, and so is the cake. It is soft and light. It is absolutely delicious. If I can make these small batch chocolate cupcakes for the very first time with you watching me every step of the way, you can too. Don't forget to like and subscribe. And if you've seen any products I've used, feel free to check out my Amazon storefront in my bio. And check me out on Instagram and TikTok. I think you'll be surprised by what you find.